In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M102a printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you've opened it, please proceed here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet Pro M102a printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. Now proceed to the first one under support.hp.com. Click on this link, which is the official website for HP printer. So here you will be able to see this kind of the page where here it will detect your operating system. However, if not in your case, click on choose a different OS. Click on this down arrow key here and go with the Windows 11 and click on update. Once done, okay, you need to select a software and drivers below. So you need to scroll down and there you can see driver product installation software. And just have to click on that down arrow key and there you can see the recommended feature software and drivers. So click on this download button aligning to it. And once you've clicked on it, you can now start the downloading process. Now in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Okay, once completed, you need to copy and move that to the desktop. Now here at the desktop, you need to extract this file. So here you can double tap to unzip or extract it, or either make a right click. And if you have a WinRAR tool, you can use that one. So go with extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Okay. So once a new file folder has been created, we'll now move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, here are the settings. Please proceed to the left side and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And once done, you need to navigate to the printers and scanners. And here you'll get an option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. So once it's here, go with Add Manually. And a new window would appear in a few seconds. Here, you just have to locate for an add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Now click the next button. Click on this dollar key and use among of this three USB port. So if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So either choose among of these three, one, two, or three. So go with the next button here and then go with Have Disk and then you need to click on the browse. So here we need to proceed to the desktop where our extracted file has been placed to. There we can find it, double tapped, and eventually you can see a list of drivers. So select any of that, then click on the OK button. Once done, you will be able to see that one. You just have to rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into 102A. Then click on the next button here and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Now once done, you can now click the next button and go with finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet M102A printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.